Common grammar mistakes Indians make and how to fix them. Do you speak English every day but still make small mistakes without even realizing it? You're not alone. Even fluent speakers fall into common traps, especially with the prepositions, tenses, and pronunciation. But here is the good news: every mistake is a stepping stone to mastering the language. In this video, we'll uncover the most common English mistakes made by Indian learners and, more importantly, how to correct them with ease. Let's begin your journey from good to great English. This video will help you a lot. Now let's get started. Common grammar mistakes. He is having a car. Correct answer is he has a car. Have is a stative verb, so it's not normally used in continuous tense to show possession. Example: my uncle has a red car. He didn't know the answer. Correct answer: he didn't know the answer. Didn't is already past tense, so use a base verb like know. I didn't know she was here. Did plus V1, did minus V2. When you use in simple past tense, she is more smart than me. Wrong. The correct answer is she is smarter than me. Smarter is already a comparative, so no need for more. Ria is smarter than her classmates. In English sentence, there are no two comparatives. She is loving pizza. Wrong. Correct answer: she loves pizza. Love is a stative verb describing feelings and not actions. My wife loves cheese pizza. I know to swim. Wrong. I know how to swim. Right answer. And how to after action verbs like know. We should use how to. Example: my daughter knows how to write. My health is more better. Wrong. The correct answer is my health is better. Better is already a comparative, so no need for more. The doctor says I'm better today. She said, me too. Correct answer is she said, me neither. Me neither is used for agreeing on negative statements. I feel tired. Me neither. Rohit speaks English very well. Wrong. The correct answer is Rohit speaks English very well. Add s or es when the subject is he, she, it, third person singular in simple present tense. Example: she speaks 3 languages. I'm looking forward to see you. Wrong. Correct answer is I'm looking forward to seeing you. After looking forward to, we should use gerundial form. So, they are looking forward to visit. What's the time in your watch? Wrong. The correct answer is, what's the time on your watch? We use on with instruments. She is good on piano.